Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by validating the path to the internet, not just the device state. First, make sure the active interface is up and has an IP. Then attempt a fast TCP connect to 1 port 53 or send an HTTP head to a tiny known endpoint. This tests routing and DNS reachability. Use short timeouts and limited retries so the app stays responsive. Once that succeeds, you know packets route outward and can proceed to higher-level checks. You now run layered verification so failures are diagnostic. Start with link status, then attempt TCP connect. If that passes, resolve a known domain to test DNS. Next, perform an HTTP head and assert the response code you expect. An unexpected HTML page often means a captive portal. Make these calls asynchronously and apply exponential backoff for retries to reduce network load. Once done, log which layer failed so you can pick the right remediation instead of guessing. You finish by consolidating results into a clear outcome, success or a specific failure reason like DNS or captive portal. If DNS fails, retry against 1. If TCP fails, test a different port or remote host. If a portal is detected, prompt the user to open a browser to authenticate. Make sure to cache short-lived success for a few seconds to avoid repeated checks. If things go wrong, advise reconnecting the interface, disabling VPNs temporarily, or rebooting the router to
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.